Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic cars in automotive history, the Ford Model A vehicle that marked a major turning point for the automotive world and for everyday drivers. After the legendary Model T dominated roads for nearly 2 decades, Ford knew it was time for something new, more modern, more refined, and better suited to a changing world. That's where the Model A came in, debuting in 1927 and instantly capturing attention with its fresh design and improved performance. Unlike its predecessor, the Model A offered a much more comfortable and user-friendly driving experience. It featured a 3.3-liter 4-cylinder engine producing around 40 horsepower, which might not sound like much today, but back then it was a solid upgrade. Drivers could reach speeds of up to 65 miles per hour, which made it perfect for both city streets and longer journeys. It also introduced a 3-speed sliding gear transmission, giving drivers more control compared to the simpler system used in the Model T. One of the biggest reasons for the Model A's success was its variety. Ford didn't just release one version. They offered multiple body styles including coupes, sedans, roadsters, and even trucks. This meant that the Model A could appeal to a wide range of buyers, from families to business owners. It was no longer just about owning a car, it was about choosing a car that fit your lifestyle. Another major improvement was in design and comfort. The Model A featured a more modern look with a stylish radiator grille, curved fenders, and a more refined interior. It also came with a windshield, better seating, and improved suspension, making rides smoother and more enjoyable. These upgrades made the Model A feel like a true step into the future compared to the rugged and basic Model T. Safety and usability were also improved. The Model A had 4-wheel mechanical brakes, which provided much better stopping power than the Model T's system. It also introduced a standard set of controls that are much closer to what we use in cars today, including a conventional clutch, brake, and accelerator pedal layout. This made it easier for new drivers to learn and operate. Production of the Model A ran from 1927 to 1931, and during that time, Ford sold nearly 5 million units worldwide. That level of success proved that Ford had once again understood what people wanted: a reliable, affordable, and modern vehicle. The Model A didn't just replace the Model T, it redefined what a mass-market car could be. Even today, the Ford Model A remains a beloved classic among collectors and car enthusiasts. Its timeless design, historical significance, and mechanical simplicity make it a favorite at car shows and vintage events. It represents an era when the automobile was transforming from a luxury item into a necessity for everyday life. The legacy of the Model A is not just about the car itself, but about how it helped shape the future of transportation. It showed that innovation, style, and practicality could come together in one package, setting the stage for generations of vehicles to come. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history and want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel.